Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for coming here this evening to the basement. Thank you very much to the basement for having us. We are called Monkey Spanner. Thank you for welcoming us to this wonderful place in Canberra. It's been a pleasure to come here on the long weekend, and hopefully we can do it all again sometime, yeah? Next time you bring more friends and more friends. We'll create a fucking big old ska party next time you come down. Alright.
Big shout out to this wee orchestra. Thank you very much. That was awesome.
Absolutely awesome.
Killer stuff, man. Seriously good.
Okay, here's a good sing-along for you then. Merry go happy. Enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as you wink. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Let's see that. Enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as you wink. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lyle, and I've had an absolutely fantastic fucking night. Well, it's good to be wise when you're young. If you can only be young, but once. Enjoy yourself and have lots of fun. So let it live life longer than you've ever done. Everybody, enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as you wink. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Wisdom, good knowledge, and understanding. What is it, Simon? Don't dream, work to be free by the maker. Hey, go to school, learn the rules, don't be no failure. There's no place for you to be a footstool. Let's sing now. Enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as you wink. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. All right, let's pick it up. Enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as you wink. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. One more time. Enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as you wink. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Thank you very much, thank you. Thank you very much, rude boys and rude girls. Thank you, thank you. You're wondering now what to do. this is the end. You're wondering how you will pay for the way you did behave. All right, Rico, chase away. Stop here. This is rehearsed. We've been working on this.
We need to figure this out for a second.
He's forgotten it.
I've got it. Hey, it's been a long night.
It's that fucking legal weed that's gone about, isn't it? Is that legal weed, is it? I reckon. You're wondering now what to do. Now you know this is the end. You're wondering how you will pay for the way you did behave. Curtain has fallen, now you're on your own. I won't return, forever you will wait. You're wondering now what to do. Now you know this is the end. Pick it up now. Curtain has fallen, now you're on your own. I won't return, forever you will wait. You're wondering now what to do. Now you know this is the end. You're wondering how you will pay for the way you did behave. You're wondering now what to do. Now you know this is the end. You're wondering now what to do. Now you know this is the end. You're wondering now what to do. Now you know this is the end. You're wondering now what to do. Now you know this is the end. All right, nice one. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That song is probably, as you put two and two together, a segue to the end of the night. So we're going to do that thing now, that we go there for like 1 minute, and then you'll go like, one more tune, fucking come back on, you bunch of Scottish bastards. And then we kind of come back on, so let's do that.